We saw the fritzing software that help us to design a circuit using the software in a very nice organized way. Now let's play with the actual hardware that we have for this first phase. So we have the breadboard below and all kind of component connected over here, 6 LED, LED, 2 push button, and everything is connected to the Arduino. Right now the Arduino is connected using a USB to my computer, so I can download a software sketch to this board and in the same time supply power to this board, and I can see the small power LED over here, meaning the board is getting power, it's on. And every element is connected as we saw in the circuit design with the relevant pin number and so on. Just small remark, maybe you notice that the 6 LED are not actually connected in a nice order over here. And the reason for that is that I'm utilizing only pins, digital pins that support PW pulse wide modulation, and that's like with a small tilde that you can see close to the pin number. And we'll discuss about it very soon. Now let's play with the circuit. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm uploading the software. So I'm going into the Arduino IDE software, opening the sketch I created for this phase, and upload that to the board. We will see in a very fast manner the RxTX that are being run, and that's all. It's being already uploaded to the board. Now let's test it. If I will press on this button, that's the test button, I'm expected to see all 6 LED to being on for 1 second. Okay, click on that, getting 1 second for the whole LED. This is like a testing button. And the second button is for getting some nice wave of animation. Okay, going back and forth, very simple. Just to show you something, if I will press on that right now, and in the same time I will go and click reset, okay, the Arduino of course will start from scratch and will run the program from the beginning. That's all. Okay, that's for step number 1. We learned to use digital input and output. The output is using LED that are connected with a resistor that are being used to limit the current. In addition, we connected 2 push buttons as digital input, and we are triggering some event based on that action. Now let's review the sketch itself to understand how exactly we achieved that scenario.